Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs, 8 collagen snacks. You'll love. Do your hands ever feel tingly or numb? Do your legs feel weak, like they just can't hold you the way they used to? If so, you're not alone, and it's not something you just have to live with. These little warning signs often mean your body's missing something important: collagen, the natural protein that keeps your joints strong, your nerves firing right, and your muscles steady. Most people think collagen is only about beauty or skin creams, but once you're past 60, collagen becomes a quiet hero inside your body, helping you move easily, stay balanced, and live without that constant stiffness or tingling. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements or fancy treatments. Today, you'll discover 8 delicious collagen-rich snacks that can help bring strength back to your legs, calm the tingling in your hands, and make you feel more like yourself again. They're easy to make, taste amazing, and best of all, they're backed by science and made from real foods your body already loves. Let's start with number 1, cocoa almond collagen clusters. Who said healing can't taste like dessert? If you love chocolate, this first snack will make you smile, because it's not only tasty, it's therapeutic. Dark chocolate, especially the kind with 80% cacao or higher, is packed with plant compounds that help your body repair itself from the inside out. Researchers, including Dr. William Lee, have found that these compounds can boost collagen production, protect your cells, and even improve circulation, all of which can help reduce numbness and weakness in your hands and legs. Here's how to make it. Melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate slowly. Stir in a small handful of roasted almonds for crunch and amino acids. Add a teaspoon of dried cranberries or goji berries for a touch of sweetness and a vitamin C boost. Drop spoonfuls onto a plate or mini molds and chill until firm. You'll end up with rich, chewy bites that feel like a treat, but secretly work to rebuild your strength from the inside. The antioxidants in chocolate protect your joints and nerves, while the almonds and berries give your body the nutrients it needs to make fresh collagen. Enjoy one of these every day, guilt-free. It's not candy, it's comfort that heals. 2. Gelatin berry bites. If your knees ache when you stand up or your hands feel stiff in the morning, this snack is for you. Gelatin is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to give your body the exact materials it needs to make collagen. Think of gelatin as ready-to-use collagen, already broken down so your body can absorb it fast. It's rich in amino acids like glycine and proline, which help your joints stay flexible and your nerves calm. Here's a simple recipe. Warm 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice. Cherry or pomegranate are great because they're high in antioxidants. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until it dissolves completely. Add a few chopped nuts for healthy fats and some fresh berries for extra vitamin C. Pour into molds or a small dish and refrigerate until set. What you'll have is a soft, jelly-like snack that melts in your mouth and helps melt away stiffness over time. Enjoy a few pieces every afternoon. It's a fun, easy way to rebuild your joints, soothe tingling, and give your body that gentle, daily repair it's been asking for. 3. Golden chicken collagen cups. If you grew up on homemade chicken soup, you already know how comforting it can be. But there's real science behind that comfort. Bone broth, especially from chicken, is loaded with natural collagen and amino acids that rebuild cartilage, strengthen connective tissue, and even support nerve health. When simmered slowly, the collagen from the bones breaks down into a form your body can easily use. To make your own, save leftover chicken bones or wings. Add them to a large pot with water, a tablespoon of vinegar, it helps pull the collagen from the bones, and chop veggies like onion, carrot, and celery. Simmer slowly for 6 to 8 hours. Strain, cool, and store the broth in jars. Once chilled, the broth will become slightly gel-like. That's the collagen magic. Now here's a twist. Pour the cooled broth into silicone muffin cups and freeze them. Each cup becomes a daily collagen boost you can warm up anytime. Add a little lemon juice and parsley for extra vitamin C and freshness. Even half a cup a day can help your joints glide more smoothly, reduce that crackly feeling in your knees, and give your legs more strength. It's a small act of care that can make a big difference over time, like giving your body a gentle hug from the inside. So if you're enjoying these first 3 collagen snacks, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because the next ones are even more powerful, and you won't want to miss what's coming up next. 4. Cantaloupe Mint Refreshers. Here's something that may surprise you. Your body can't make collagen without vitamin C. It's like trying to bake bread without flour. It just won't happen. That's why this next snack is so simple, yet so powerful. Cantaloupe Mint Refreshers. Cantaloupe is loaded with vitamin C, water, and natural sugars that refresh your body and feed your cells the nutrients they crave. Just 1 cup gives you nearly 2/3 of your daily vitamin C, exactly what your body needs to keep joints, skin, and nerves healthy. Here's how to make it. Slice up fresh, juicy cantaloupe into small cubes. Squeeze a little fresh lime juice over the top for extra vitamin C and a bright flavor. Add a few chopped mint leaves for a cooling, soothing touch. Finish with a sprinkle of crushed pistachios or walnuts for healthy fats and protein. This snack isn't just tasty, it's healing. The vitamin C jumpstarts collagen production, the nuts calm inflammation, and the mint helps your digestion. Take a few minutes to enjoy this bowl slowly. You'll feel refreshed, hydrated, and lighter. And over time, you may notice less stiffness in your knees and hands. Sometimes the smallest change, like eating a bowl of melon with love, can bring the biggest rewards. 5. Tomato collagen salad. Bites. Now let's talk about a food that almost everyone has in their kitchen: the humble tomato. Most people don't realize how powerful tomatoes are for collagen support. They're rich in vitamin C and lycopene, 2 nutrients that protect and rebuild your collagen from the inside out. Vitamin C helps your body create new collagen fibers, while lycopene acts like a shield, protecting existing collagen from damage caused by aging and stress. To make this snack, slice a ripe, juicy tomato. Layer with slices of fresh mozzarella or cubes of avocado if you prefer dairy-free. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, which helps your body absorb all those powerful antioxidants. Sprinkle with a little sea salt and fresh basil for added flavor and digestion support. This simple, caprese-style snack feels fancy, but it's pure health on a plate. The tomatoes hydrate, the olive oil protects your joints, and the basil adds that light, refreshing aroma that makes you feel good. Eat it a few times a week, and you'll be giving your joints, nerves, and skin the protection they need to stay strong and smooth. It's like a little plate of sunshine that keeps your body working at its best. 6. Guava Power. Yogurt bowl. Now, if you've been feeling tingling in your hands or a wobbly feeling in your legs, you might be low on vitamin C and amino acids, both essential for making collagen. That's where guava comes in. It's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet, even more than oranges. Just 1 guava gives you several times your daily recommended amount. Here's how to make a powerful, yet gentle, guava yogurt bowl. Chop up a ripe guava into small pieces. Mix it into a bowl of plain Greek yogurt. This adds protein, which your body uses to build collagen. Drizzle a little honey for natural sweetness and a squeeze of lime juice for an extra boost of vitamin C. Top it with a handful of chopped almonds or walnuts for minerals and healthy fats. This bowl tastes tropical, bright, and refreshing, but it's also working deep inside your body. The guava floods your system with vitamin C, helping your body form new collagen and repair tissues. The yogurt adds calcium and protein to strengthen bones and muscles. Each spoonful feels like a little act of care, a moment of nourishment for your body and peace for your mind. If you make this a daily habit, you'll likely feel more energized, less achy, and more balanced throughout your day. Healing doesn't always come from medicine. Sometimes it comes from something as simple as food, made with intention. Something that reminds your body how strong it can be. 7. Kiwi Crunch Bites. Sometimes the best healing foods are the smallest ones. Kiwi might look humble, but this bright green fruit is one of the most powerful collagen boosters you can find. Just 2 kiwis a day give your body more than enough vitamin C to spark new collagen production. And that means firmer skin, stronger joints, and better nerve function, all helping to reduce that tingling in your hands and the heaviness in your legs. Here's a simple and refreshing way to enjoy it. Slice up 2 fresh kiwis into thin rounds, sprinkle a handful of toasted almonds or walnuts on top for a satisfying crunch and healthy fats. For a little flavor kick, add a pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. That's it. Just 3 ingredients. Yet this light, colorful snack does so much for your body. The vitamin C helps your body build new collagen fibers, while the nuts bring protein and minerals that strengthen muscles and joints. Even that small touch of chili can help improve circulation, which is key to reducing numbness and keeping your nerves healthy. Eat this mid-morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. You'll not only enjoy its tangy taste, but you'll also be giving your body a quiet push toward better mobility, stronger balance, and calmer hands. Sometimes the tiniest fruit can make the biggest difference. And now let's finish with something that's sweet, crunchy, and deeply healing. Pineapple nut clusters. Pineapple is more than a tropical treat. It contains a special enzyme called bromelain, which works like nature's anti-inflammatory medicine. Bromelain helps calm swelling in your joints and nerves, especially useful if your hands feel sore or your legs get tired quickly. Plus, pineapple is packed with vitamin C, giving your body the double power it needs to make new collagen and repair what's been damaged. Here's how to make it. Cut fresh pineapple into small bite-sized chunks. Mix it with macadamia nuts or cashews for healthy fats and long-lasting energy. Add a light sprinkle of cinnamon. This helps balance blood sugar and adds warmth. Finish with a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling touch. This tropical mix tastes refreshing and light, but it works deep inside, soothing inflammation, improving circulation, and helping your body rebuild strength day by day. Have a small bowl in the afternoon when you want something sweet, yet healthy. It's the kind of snack that feels like a treat, but every bite is helping your body heal, one cell at a time. So there you have it. 8 simple, powerful, collagen-rich snacks that can help you say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. Cocoa almond collagen clusters, gelatin, berry bites, golden chicken, collagen cups, cantaloupe mint refreshers, tomato collagen salad, bites, guava, power yogurt, bowl, kiwi, crunch bites, pineapple, nut clusters. Each one gives your body something it truly needs, not just for beauty or energy, but for strength, stability, and comfort as you age. You don't have to eat all of them at once. Start with just 1 or 2 each week. You'll begin to notice small but powerful changes. Easier movement, steadier legs, and a calm, confident feeling in your body. Remember, it's never too late to feel stronger again. Your body is always ready to repair itself when you give it the right care, and these collagen-rich snacks are the perfect way to start. So go ahead, treat yourself kindly. Every bite you take is a step toward better mobility, less pain, and a life that feels full again. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to tap the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more natural health tips like this. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these collagen snacks are you most excited to try first? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts, because healing isn't just about what you eat. It's about staying connected, hopeful, and ready for better days ahead. Stay strong, stay kind to your body, and remember, every healthy choice you make today helps you move with more comfort tomorrow.